Manifestation. These days, I've encountered different ads and messages about how to manifest anything, how to put yourself in a condition to make things happen by manifesting something. Even if I'm a great believer in positive thinking, I firmly believe that the law of attraction and manifestation alone doesn't work. If you want to make things happen, you have to move your ass. In this video, I want to share with you the 3-step method I personally follow to get what I want in life and business. My name is Max Cecco, and I teach aspiring entrepreneurs and professionals how to turn their knowledge and or someone else's expertise even into a 7-figure business. If you like my content, subscribe to this channel, hit the like button. Step number 1. Decide what you want. This first step is extremely important. Many people don't get any results in life and business because they don't have any idea of what they want to accomplish. If you don't know where you want to go, it is pretty impossible to reach the final destination. So, if you want to make money, get rich, or get the success you want, I highly recommend finding your why first. If you are not new to this channel, you perfectly know that I firmly believe in not starting a business just to make money, because it is the exact recipe for failure. Having a strong why allows you to stay on the path of pursuing your goal, despite some obstacles you will encounter during your journey. If you only chase money, I can assure 100% you will quit. Business is not a linear path. Moreover, when you decide what you want, this choice helps you choose the right business to start. By speaking about online businesses, you probably know that you can sell your expertise in the form of online courses or services, or you can help other experts succeed. You can run an e-commerce business. You can sell potential targeted clients to some companies who need new leads to sell their product or service to, and so on. You can run many businesses, and it all depends on yourself, why you do what you do, your personality, and the lifestyle you aspire to. In my case, I consider myself lucky because I have been selling online courses and services since 2008. I sold my online courses, especially in the Italian market, and helped different professionals share their expertise. In January 2022, I made an important decision to share in the English market what I learned in the previous 14 years in order to reach millions of people, because my goals changed. So, do not fall in love with money, but with something you like doing. It is crucial for your long-term success. Step number 2. Finding the resources. Once you have decided what you want to do and found your why, the next step is to find the right resources that let you execute your business idea practically. So, let me give you an example in order to understand the big picture. Let's suppose you are a fitness girl who loves going to the gym regularly. You are getting amazing results on your body shape, and your business idea is to help other women get in shape by sharing what you have learned in your journey. You are aware that you can sell your expertise online, but you don't have any idea where to start. In this case, you have to find the right resources to start your online business. For example, how to sell online, how to package online courses and services, how to create compelling messages to attract people's attention, how to craft an irresistible offer clients can't say no, how to write a sales letter or a video script to sell anything, which tools do you need to create your marketing funnel, and so on. In this case, you have two choices. Number 1, you can hire different freelancers that can help you create your brand and sell your expertise. And please do not hire marketing agencies for your sake. Number 2, you can decide to learn the most important digital marketing skills and strategies to sell your expertise by yourself. These are two completely different paths that involve various investments in terms of time and money, but Now you have the resources to execute your business idea practically. Step number 3, consistency and commitment. This step is equally important as the previous ones. Indeed, most aspiring entrepreneurs have good ideas and the resources to implement them, but they are not consistent, persistent, and committed to reaching their goals. They want to get fast results, and when they find an obstacle or more than one, they quit. If you are the type of person who isn't consistent, who doesn't have discipline in getting results in life, I can guarantee that you will not get any results in business too. I'm so sorry to be very direct with you, but I'm not here to make fun of you. Creating a successful business requires knowledge, investment, time and money, and there is no guarantee of success. Sometimes your business idea is great, but for one reason or another, your business doesn't take off. If you quit without discovering why your business is not getting the results you want, you will fail. This is why consistency and commitment are fundamental. Indeed, I firmly believe that when things don't go in the right direction, there is always a reason why. Discover it and you will be successful. And with that being said, regardless of the business you want to run, there are 3 marketing skills you should master if you want to succeed. Please watch this video. 3 high-demand digital marketing skills to master as soon as possible. Marketing is more important than the product or service you want to sell. So, watch this video now.